Welcome to AI Explains It All, where we break down the world's most fascinating topics. Today, we're digging deep into the history of geology, the science that explains the earth beneath our feet. Geology's roots go back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Greeks observed rocks and minerals, using them to build monuments and tools. But it wasn't until the 4th century BCE that the Greek philosopher Theophrastus wrote on stones a text that hinted at the origins of modern geology. During the Dark Ages, geological knowledge was limited, often overshadowed by superstition. But the Renaissance sparked a renewed interest in the natural world. Scholars like Leonardo da Vinci began to question the origins of fossils, setting the stage for a revolution in geological thinking. The 18th century saw the birth of modern geology, thanks to pioneers like James Hutton. Hutton's observations of rock formations in Scotland led him to propose the idea of deep time, an Earth much older than previously thought. His work laid the foundation for the principle of uniformitarianism, the idea that the same processes shaping the Earth today have been at work for millions of years. The 19th and 20th centuries were a golden age for geology. Charles Lyell popularized Hutton's ideas, while Alfred Wegener proposed the groundbreaking theory of continental drift. In the mid-20th century, Marie Tharp's maps of the ocean floor provided critical evidence for plate tectonics, forever changing our understanding of Earth's dynamics. Today, geology continues to shape our world, from predicting natural disasters to discovering natural resources. What began with simple observations of rocks has evolved into a science that helps us understand the past, present, and future of our planet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments what you'd like AI to explain next.